Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome to the Disneyland Hotel. This is a DVC Villa Studio, and this is Studio 1112. Unfortunately, our magic bands do not work to open the door. You do have to go to guest services and get a key. As you walk in, this is the feature wall in the entry. Usually there would be some sort of hook here or here. But this resort is brand new, so they do not, I don't think it's necessarily done yet, or they did forget the hook. Looking into the room, you do have all this space. This is really, really wide for you to put a stroller or anything that you may need like that. To the right, we have a gorgeous bathroom that features this really large walk-in shower. And these are some of my favorite colors, so I was really excited to walk in and see that. You've got a rain shower head, and then you've got a wand as well. You do have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. This really large bench, and this hexagon pattern here. But a gorgeous, gorgeous shower. You've got hooks for your towels here. This beautiful pattern on the floor. And look at this mirror setup. You've got the fairies, and then you've got a bright backlit mirror here. You have 2 plugs here. Comes with body lotion and facial soap. And then you do have a makeup mirror here. This is a nightlight for the bathroom, so you or your kiddos can get around at night without having to turn on the big light. This gorgeous bowl sink, and I love, love, love this. The only thing I wish was there was a little bit more storage in the bathroom, and then you can even shove suitcases under there if you had to. But I love, love, love this bathroom. As we turn around, you've got a sliding pocket door for your water closet. And then again with the blue. I'm gonna walk on in here. And then this is where your towels would be. But lots of room also in the water closet. And as we go in the room to our left, we have a full-length mirror here. This gorgeous wood detail all the way around. You've got a digital thermostat here, and then trash and recycling down here, and that's peering back into the entryway. In a studio, you do have a kitchenette. It comes with all your dishes up here that you may need: a microwave, a Keurig, a very deep sink. You have a mini fridge, and then you've got storage under here. It's got paper towels and dish soap and all that. You've got another full-length mirror here. And this slides open into a closet. And you've got some fun friends down here and at the top. In here you do have your extra bedding up here, a safe, and lots of extra room as well. You've got your ironing board and a laundry basket on that side. And this will tell you everything that it comes with. So we are back toward the closet. We're walking toward the television. All of this is just storage. And these are fairly deep. They're really good size. And they are soft close as well. You have 2 little seats over here, and then you've got another backlit mirror there. As you can see, this is a very, very large desk area. And this is your little living room setup. I love the fun detail of the castle banners on the pull-down bed. But it is a good size, so you can have 2 kiddos, maybe 3 if they're small, sleep on that. Moving over to the main bedroom area, you've got this fun light up castle. I don't know if you're noticing a theme here. You've got those fun lamps on either side, 2 nightstands, and this really, really cool rug. Once Upon a Dream, it says. And you do have storage underneath to put some more suitcases on either side. These light up as well. You've got that fun detail on the lamp that matches all the rest of the sparkle in the room. And on either side, you've got a USB-C, a USB, and a regular plug outlet. These drawers they're not real drawers. I know it has a little space back here, but you would just insert it from the back if you really wanted to use that. But these are not real. Peering back over on this side of the desk, you do have a mirror here, the seats that I mentioned, and this is extra storage. You've got your telephone here, and this is a really good opportunity to show you the detail behind the mirror and the television. This display, it is gorgeous. You've got fun artwork at the fairies and different animation sketches, and then the beautiful aurora here. And you've got this little seating area just to put on your shoes or to hang out or whatever you want to do there. We've got this gorgeous blackout curtain here. And you do have this sheer curtain to leave open during the day if you wish. And again, on the same side, you've got your USB-C, USB plug, and then the drawers here. And we're gonna peer back over, and it should give you a good size of this room. This room is humongous for a studio room, and that is the room. This room again is 1112 at the Disneyland Hotel in the Disney Vacation Club Tower. I love this gorgeous blue backsplash. This is gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed today's room tour. My name is Jess from Elevation Travel by Jess. If you liked today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you really want to keep in the know about cruises, all-inclusives, theme parks like Disneyland or Universal or Disney World, hit that subscribe button. I have lots of content coming for the rest of the year. There are more videos coming of my time here at Disneyland. It is my first time, so that should be entertaining for you all. And I do have 2 cruises planned for the rest of the year. One's an 8-night, one's a 3-night. Keep an eye out for those if cruising is your thing. If you all have stayed at a Disneyland hotel, please let me know in the comments below what is your favorite. Also, let me know what your favorite Disneyland snacks are. My son's is the churro, mine is the Darth by chocolate, and I'm not sure what Jordan's is, but we're gonna find out. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.